Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do some stuff. Well, I'm stuck in the stand. So this is the part 2 of making a room. I'm going to be showing you how to do some stuff. So first, if you want to know how to use the animation, I'm going to show you how to do the animation. This will be So first you're going to want to get the animation gizmo. And you see this, then you connect it to what you want. Then you press edit on it. Then you press add. Then you can do something like that. Then you can play it. Now let me show you how to play the animation on the loop. If you want to do something, you can slow it down right there. And you can go on ping pong to make it go like that. Look. I'm going to show you some more stuff in the future. I'm going to be uploading some more stuff. Just make sure to like and subscribe.